The video is about removing the unwanted browser extension called Dark Display. Dark Display is a special extension that was developed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. So the developers of this extension indicate that by installing it, you'll be able to switch your websites quickly to the dark mode. Probably for some people this feature is good and helpful, but the problem with this dark display extension is that once installed, it starts displaying its own advertisements through your browser. These ads are not really decent. Very often they may point you and redirect you to many shady and dangerous resources in the internet. And therefore, in case this dark display extension was added to the Google Chrome, you should undertake the measures and get rid of it as soon as possible. To remove the extension, access the menu More Tools, Extensions. Now disable and remove this extension from your computer. Finally, I recommend that you additionally examine the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This program, Combo Cleaner Antivirus, will help you to detect and eliminate all other threats from your computer. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com using this green download button. Download the software, install the program, and start investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.